Will Budget 2025 roll back the changes introduced in the last budget? The Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, certainly hopes so, as it is requesting the Ministry of Finance to restore the long-term indexation benefit for debt schemes that was withdrawn in Budget 2024. It is also asking the government to revert to the previous capital gains tax rates as the new ones are higher. And म्यूचुअल फंड में फिक्स्ड इनकम वाली बात कैसे आएगी अगर डेट लिंक सेविंग स्कीम जैसे प्रोडक्ट ना हो जो इक्विटी लिंक सेविंग स्कीम जैसे टैक्स बेनिफिट दे? But it's not just all about debt. In fact, AMFI has presented a 13-point proposal to the government aimed at promoting investor participation and helping to grow the mutual fund industry. One of them also includes an amendment to the definition of equity-oriented funds to include equity fund of funds so that they are provided a level playing field on taxation. While another asks to roll back the increase in securities transaction tax as it is impacting returns on arbitrage funds and equity savings funds. But why stop at 13 points? I say अगर कुछ मांग ही रहे हो तो ढंग से मांगो. Since mutual funds is a common man product, for every 1 rupee invested by the common man, the government will contribute an additional rupee from its side. This unfortunately has not been proposed because AMFI is a serious organization and not subject to flights of fancy like I am. Finally, AMFI has also shown some love to AIFs by proposing to bring them under the same tax exemption framework as mutual funds. Will the government act on this? The mutual fund industry is growing every year and financialization of savings is clearly happening. So I hope the government doesn't ignore AMFI's proposal as investments are the oil of the engine that is the Indian economy.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.